Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Techavro. So today I'm going to show you guys how you can use TikTok in iPhone. For that you have to download it first. So as I already downloaded it, I'm just going to open it for you guys. So first go to App Store and search TikTok, and over here you can see open sign, so I'm going to just open it. So over here, after opening the app, you can see your profile, inbox, friends, following, for you. So, and the middle plus sign button, if you tap that icon, then you can make videos, make TikTok videos with music that you would like to make. So yeah, this is how you can use TikTok in iPhone. So I'm going to just show you guys that how you can record your TikTok videos. So after click that sound, you have to click use this sound, and here you can use any filter that you would like to add. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. Bye bye, see you in the next video.